Good morning, students. Welcome back to your EVS class. Yes, beta, how are you all? I hope you all are happy. Beta, in EVS, today we will do the keywords of chapter 20, our festivals. We have studied there are different festivals celebrated in our country, and we have also studied how we celebrate different festivals. So today, let us do the keywords and exercise. First of all, take your notebook and let us write the keywords. After that, we will do work in our book. So, take out your notebook, be ready with your pencil eraser and let's start. Yes, beta, in your notebook, write date today, class work. And chapter number 20. Our festivals. Okay, children. Next, we will write keywords. Yes, beta. Write down keywords. Our first keyword is festivals. 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 Number 2, religions. Number 3, country. 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 Number 4 is worship. Places of worship are there. Number 5, celebrate. 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 Number 7 is special. SPECIAL. Sorry beta, it is number 6. Number 6. Now we will write number 7. Next word is mosque. 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 Yes beta, write down number 8. Gurudwara. 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 Number 9 is church. 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 Number 10, Hindus. 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 Number 12 is exchange. 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 Number 13. Next is Christmas. 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 Number 14. National. 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 Okay beta, these are our keywords. You have to write keywords in your notebook. Yes beta, this is our chapter 20 and now we will do its exercise. Okay. Part A, tick the right answer. You have to tell the right answer. People pray and sing carols in church on dash Holi, Christmas and Diwali. Beta, tell when people sing Christmas carols. On Christmas. So tick on Christmas and write down in the blank Christmas. Yes, beta. Dash is known the festival of colors. Which festival is known as festival of colors? Diwali, Bihu or Holi? Take on Holi. Holi is festival of colors. Write down in the blank also. Next is Seviyan is distributed on dash. Holi, Eid ul Fitr, Dashera. Beta, when we distribute Seviyan, people distribute Seviyan on Eid. So take on Eid and write in the blank Eid ul Fitr. On dash, we have a special meal called langar. Bihu, Eid or Gurpurab. When we eat langar, beta, we eat langar on Guru Parv. So tick on Guru Parv and write in the blank Guru Parv. Okay, children. Now let's move to the next page. Yes, beta. B part is fill in the blanks. Blanks are given, we have to fill words in them. Though we follow different religions, but dash is only one only. बेटा हम अलग अलग डिफरेंट रिलीजन्स को मानते हैं, फॉलो करते हैं, बट डैश इज वन. पर एक कौन है? बट गॉड इज वन. सो राइट डाउन गॉड. God is one. Number 2. People of different religions celebrate some special days known as dash. बेटा different religions के लोग कुछ ना कुछ special days celebrate करते हैं. What they are known as? They are known as festivals. So write down in second blank festivals. Number 3. Dash is a special sweet made during Holi. होली पर कौन सी स्पेशल डिश बनाई जाती है? गुजिया. Gughy. Yes, beta. Gujia is a special sweet made during Holi. Dash is celebrated by Muslims. Which festival is celebrated by Muslims? Eid. Write down. Eid is celebrated by Muslims. This is answer the following questions that we will do in notebook. Next part is high order thinking skills, HOTS. D part. Name the holy book of the following religions. Beta, we have to tell which book is the holy book of these religions. Sikhs, Muslims, Christian, Hindus read which book? Sikh people read Guru Granth Sahib. Write down Guru Granth Sahib. Beta, change the spelling of Granth. It is Granth. Granth Sahib. Next is Christians. Christians holy book is Bible. 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 Muslims holy book is Quran. Hindus holy book is Gita and Ramayana. Beta, 2 holy books are read by Hindus, Gita and Ramayana. Ramayan भी कहते हैं इसे. Okay, children. Next is name them. On Eid day, Muslim children get this in the form of a gift. बेटा, ईद पर मुस्लिम बच्चों को गिफ्ट के तौर पे क्या मिलता है? It is called ईदी. Muslim children got ईदी on Eid. The common practice of continuous recitation of sacred religious texts in Sikhism. The common practice of continuous recitation means common practice बेटा लगातार पढ़े जाने वाला, जो कंटिन्यू पढ़ते रहते हैं सिख पीपल कुछ ऐसी और डेली पढ़ते हैं. कॉमन प्रैक्टिस मतलब डेली पढ़ना, कंटिन्यूस रेसिटेशन कंटिन्यूस पढ़ना. सेक्रेट रिलीजियस टेक्स्ट, पवित्र धार्मिक टेक्स्ट होता है बेटा। लिखावट, जो लिखे गए हों, कुछ ऐसी पंक्तियाँ, कुछ पोएम्स, कुछ ऐसा होली बुक्स हो सकती हैं जिनको वो पढ़ते हैं। इन सिखिज़म, सिख लोग, तो उसको क्या कहते हैं? दैट इज़ कॉल्ड गुरबानी। बेटा गुरुद्वारे में गुरबानी चलती रहती है, वो अपनी धार्मिक बुक को पढ़ते रहते हैं। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज ट्रू फॉल्स। राइट T for true and F for false. We must respect other religions. क्या हमें सभी धर्मों की रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए? ट्रू। वी शुड वेस्ट फूड। क्या हमें खाना वेस्ट करना चाहिए? नो, इट इज़ फॉल्स। वी कैन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट न्यू क्लोथ्स टू अंडर प्रिविलेज चिल्ड्रेन इंस्टेड ऑफ वेस्टिंग मनी इन बर्निंग क्रैकर्स। बेटा क्या हम अपने नए कपड़े डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं अंडर प्रिविलेज चिल्ड्रन, मतलब गरीब बच्चों को, ना कि अपने पैसे वेस्ट करना। हमें पैसे वेस्ट नहीं करने चाहिए क्रैकर्स बर्न करने में। क्या हमें ये काम करना चाहिए? हमें न्यू कपड़े गरीब बच्चों में बांटने चाहिए या पटाखे जलाने चाहिए? वी शुड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट न्यू क्लोथ्स, तो इट इज ट्रू। ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ वी हैव डन द एक्सरसाइज. Today you will learn the keywords and the exercise. Okay children, bye bye, take care.